Hello campers, this is Ryan, owner of Campgrounds 360, and I've been getting a lot of requests on the basic navigation of the Campgrounds 360 website, and in particular using the interactive map and the filters associated with it. So that's what this is going to be about, and I'm also going to produce the same video but on how to do this navigation on your mobile device. So this interactive map is a Google Map platform, and it acts just like a Google Map where zooming in and out is holding down your control key and using the wheel on your mouse. You have these two tabs here in the upper left. You got your map tab where you can turn the terrain on and off, or you've got your satellite imagery tab, and you can turn the labels of roads and towns and such on and off. All right, in the top right, you've got your expand to full monitor view. This is very helpful to me when viewing the 360 photos, but you can also do it with the map here as well. And then conversely, once you're in that, there's a button to reduce back to this view that we have. All right, so as far as the map location, you're either, once you log on, you're going to either default to a particular location, or if you allow your device to ping your location, the map will automatically center on where you're at. If you know what campground you want to go search for, you can click it here. If you're knowing what state you want to go camp in, you can choose it down here. If you're not quite sure, you maybe know what state, but you're just looking for a region to go camp, you can type in a city, Santa Cruz, California, or such, and type it in here, and it'll zoom you to that location. All right, so as you probably noticed, there's a bunch of icons on this map, and all different colors, and they represent the different ownerships of these campgrounds. And you can find that out by coming over here to the legend under the filters in the drop down, and there's 11 different ownership categories. The most popular being this red one, which are national parks, or excuse me, national forests, and then this green being the national parks, and we're kind of zoomed in here on Yosemite National Park in California. All right. Now beyond these icons, you can take your mouse and hover over it, and it pops up that hand, and it'll give you the name of the campground. If you want even more information about that campground, you can left click on the icon once. It'll pop up an info box and give you more specifics, number of campsites, the amenities available at that campground. And again, with your mouse, you can hover over these icons and it'll tell you what they represent. Now, if you're interested in viewing even more details about that particular campground, you can hit the View Campground button and it'll launch you to that campground's page. We won't do it for the purposes of this video. We'll stay on task with just basic navigation of the interactive map. All right, so those are your basic map idea. The campground icons you see are across the country, and it's a growing list. We back check the accuracy of the public information before we post these icons to our website. So you might not see all the campgrounds yet, but we are continually adding them month by month. And again, they are across the United States. Now, we're an upstart company. We're based out of California, and we're just getting started in collecting 360 photos of campsites. We've done about 1,500 campgrounds in the western United States, and that equates to approximately 50,000 campsite photos available for you to view and research. If you'd love to go explore that area, never been camping there, we want to provide you the tools to see before you go, see before you make your reservation. And to do that, we have over here in the filter area, this very first option with 360 tours. If you toggle that on, that'll instantly show you which campgrounds offer you 360 photos to view. So I'll do that. As you see, some of the icons went away, and you are left with all the campgrounds available to you that have 360 photos of the campsites. All right. In this video, I'm only going to kind of touch on these next 3 filter categories: Campground Basics, Campground Types, and Campground Amenities. All right. Going up to the Campground Basics, I'm going to focus in on this first come, first serve only. If you don't have a camping reservation, you didn't get up early morning in December and January to book your campsite for summertime camping, you're just, in May, middle of the week, and you're like, I want to go camping this weekend. I don't want to deal with reservations. I just want to go. We can help you out with that. Toggling this button on, it'll filter out which campgrounds are first come, first serve only. A very helpful tool for your camping needs. All right. Campground types, again, you can filter out if you're a tent camper, RV, if you're bringing a horse with you, there's particular horse camping sites. You can do that option. Campground amenities. So this one, if you have particulars about your campground needs, if you definitely need a shower on site, you can click that. If you're traveling with an RV or trailer and you have hookups and you really want to have hookups at your campground, you can click the RV hookups and it'll filter out campgrounds that only have hookups for you. Excuse me. And you can pan around in this entire area and see what campgrounds have hookups. If you go to Lake Tahoe and you're like, oh, okay, I'd love to go to that area, you can see what campgrounds available. All right, so that's about it for navigation and using these basic filtering tools. There's one more cool feature I want to show you, and it resides underneath this interactive map. So I'm going to kind of scroll here to show you a split screen. Now again, remember there's tools that when you're centered on the map will provide you this information. So these featured campgrounds populate based on the center location of your map. And it's just pulling the 4 nearest campgrounds that provide 360 photos. And so as you kind of pan around up here blindly on the map, these photos will update. And you can kind of just navigate around. If there's any particular photo that catches your eye and you want to, I want to camp there. This is a gorgeous spot. And so you click on that, anywhere on that photo, and it'll launch you right to that campground page, and you can learn more about it. All right, so that's all I have for this video. I hope this was helpful. I hope you are able to navigate around and explore and pre-plan your next camping adventure. Again, if you have any questions about camping, about the website, please feel free to reach out to me at ryan@campgrounds360.com, and I would be glad to help you. All right, happy camping, everyone.